The law of the subconscious mind works for good and bad ideas alike. This law, when applied in a negative way, is the cause of failure, frustration, and unhappiness. However, when your habitual thinking is harmonious and constructive, you experience perfect health, success, and prosperity. This is what Dr. Joseph Murphy says in his book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. During the 18th century, priests would advise the sick that having faith in God could lead to their recovery. While some credited the efficacy of this approach to the presence of a higher power, it is probable that these methods were primarily dependent on the power of the subconscious mind. In this video, we will explore some of Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings from his best-selling book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. If you're struggling in your life and don't see any light, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this life-changing video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Joseph Murphy was an Irish-born American author. He holds a degree in psychology from the University of Southern California. He relocated to Los Angeles in the mid-40s, where he crossed paths with religious science founder Ernest Holmes. Impressed by Holmes's teachings, Murphy obtained ordination into religious science and began teaching at the Institute of Religious Science. During his time in Los Angeles, Murphy also met with Erwin Gregg, president of the Divine Science Association. Inspired by their discussions, he pursued ordination into divine science as well. In 1949, Murphy assumed the role of minister at the Los Angeles Divine Science Church, which soon burgeoned into one of the country's largest New Thought congregations. Murphy's notable expertise lay in utilizing the power of the subconscious mind to address various ailments. He became renowned for his teachings on harnessing the mind's potential to effect healing and transformation. With his profound understanding of the subconscious, Murphy explored the connection between mental states and physical well-being. His approach involved guiding individuals to tap into their subconscious mind and leverage its capabilities to manifest positive outcomes. Through his writings and lectures, Murphy shared practical techniques and affirmations to reprogram the subconscious, enabling individuals to overcome limitations and achieve their goals. His works, such as The Power of Your Subconscious Mind and The Miracle of Mind Dynamics, gained widespread popularity and influenced countless individuals seeking personal growth and transformation. In the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, he explained how to tap into the immense potential of your subconscious mind. By accessing this hidden part of our consciousness, we can unlock greater happiness and wisdom in our lives. Joseph Murphy, after extensive research on the world's major religions, came to the profound realization that a great power resides within all spiritual experiences. This powerful force exists within each and every one of us. According to Murphy, the law governing the subconscious mind operates irrespective of whether our thoughts are positive or negative. When we allow negative thoughts to dominate our thinking, we become susceptible to failure, frustration, and unhappiness. However, by cultivating a mindset of harmony and constructive thinking, we open ourselves up to perfect health, success, and prosperity. Now let's discuss some of his powerful teachings from his book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. Number 1. Repetition can train your subconscious mind. Repetition is a powerful tool that can train your subconscious mind, leading to enhanced performance and overcoming personal challenges. Initially, when learning a new skill, a conscious effort is required. For instance, when you first learned to ride a bike, it was undoubtedly a challenging task. However, as you repeated the process, the conscious effort gradually diminished, and your subconscious mind began to grasp the task more effectively. Eventually, riding a bike became automatic. Harnessing the power of repetition can help us overcome obstacles and achieve personal growth. An illustration of the impact of repetition on the subconscious mind can be seen in the life of Enrico Caruso, an Italian opera singer from the late 19th century. Caruso used to experience nervousness before his performances, leading to spasms in his throat. His conscious mind was interfering with a skill that had become ingrained in his subconscious. Constant negative thoughts plagued his mind, causing him to worry about potential mishaps during his shows and anticipating hostile reactions from the audience. To combat these physical reactions and improve his performance, Caruso realized that he needed to address his conscious mind's interference. He consciously instructed his mind to stop meddling with the subconscious processes that had been honed through repetition. By doing so, he was able to reduce his fears and anxieties, allowing his subconscious mind to take control and enhance his performance on stage. Caruso's experience shows the importance of managing our conscious thoughts and allowing our subconscious mind, which has been trained through repetition, to flourish. Through intentional repetition and the consistent reinforcement of positive thoughts and beliefs, we can reprogram our subconscious mind to support our goals and aspirations. By embracing repetition as a powerful tool, we can train our subconscious mind to work in harmony with our conscious efforts. Whether it is mastering a skill, overcoming personal challenges, or improving performance in various domains, repetition enables us to tap into the potential of our subconscious mind. As we repeat positive actions, thoughts, and behaviors, we strengthen the neural pathways associated with them, allowing them to become automatic and deeply ingrained within us. Number 2. Positive thinking and visualization are integral to achieving your dreams. Positive thinking and visualization play a vital role in realizing our dreams and can even have a healing effect. In the past, priests would advise the sick to believe in God as a means of improving their health. While some attribute the success of this practice to divine intervention, it is more likely that these practices tap into the power of the subconscious mind. Consider the story of a man whose relative had tuberculosis. Determined to help his loved one, the man found a piece of wood on the sidewalk and presented it to his father. He explained that he had purchased this wooden fragment from a monk who had recently worked at a healing shrine, claiming that it possessed remarkable healing powers. Intrigued, the father held on to the piece of wood throughout the night, and by the next day, he had made a full recovery. This incident demonstrates how visualizing and believing in positive outcomes can sometimes manifest in reality. However, it is important to note that disrupting the illusion of the healed person may result in the reappearance of the illness. Such miracles are not isolated incidents. Joseph Murphy shared insights on the power of the subconscious mind through his weekly radio show, The Church of Divine Science. His teachings reached millions of listeners, and he introduced a technique known as the mental movie method. This approach involves creating a clear mental image of the desired outcome and holding it in the mind until the subconscious mind brings it to fruition. Many of Murphy's listeners employed this technique to successfully sell their properties at the right price and to the right buyers. Numerous grateful individuals sent letters of appreciation to the author, expressing their gratitude for how effectively this technique worked in selling their homes. These examples illustrate the influence of positive thinking and visualization on achieving our goals. By maintaining a positive mindset and envisioning the desired outcome, we can harness the power of our subconscious mind to turn our dreams into reality. Whether it is improving our health or accomplishing professional objectives, these practices can significantly impact our lives. It is essential to recognize the potential within ourselves to shape our experiences through the power of positive thought and visualization. Number 3. Utilize your natural ability to self-heal. One of the most effective ways to tap into your subconscious mind and promote self-healing is by allowing your body the time it needs to heal naturally. Sleeping on a decision is a powerful approach to self-healing. By allowing your brain to mull over options and allowing your subconscious mind to communicate its insights, you can arrive at the best possible choice. Consider the story of a woman who faced a job opportunity on the opposite side of the country. The salary offered was twice what she currently earned, but she was uncertain if it was truly worth it. Instead of hastily making a decision, she chose to retire to bed early and sleep on it. By granting her subconscious mind the space to influence her decision, she could tap into deeper wisdom. The following morning, she concluded that turning down the offer was the right choice. As fate would have it, 3 months later, she discovered that the other company had gone bankrupt. This incident highlights the importance of allowing our subconscious mind to guide us and improve our lives. The subconscious mind operates at a faster pace than our conscious selves and employs different methods of processing information. Allowing your intuition to work overnight can lead to clearer thinking and enhanced confidence. Moreover, our subconscious mind has the power to facilitate self-healing through the realm of faith. Healing thoughts possess the ability to address physical ailments, sickness, and even traumatic experiences. The unconscious mind can complement medical and scientific approaches and has historically played a role in healing practices. For instance, healing through touch is one such approach where the individual's unconscious mind is the true agent of healing. It is important to note that self-healing also encompasses the placebo effect. When individuals believe in the efficacy of a treatment, their subconscious mind responds, often leading to positive outcomes. Placebos, despite lacking actual therapeutic value, have demonstrated significant physical and psychological benefits. Studies have shown improvements in heart rate, blood pressure, and other health indicators through the placebo effect. Joseph Murphy, a renowned author, attributed these effects to the power of the unconscious mind. Belief in the treatment's authenticity is not essential for its effectiveness. Instead, it is crucial to open our subconscious to questioning and challenging conventional views. When you feel drowsy, it signifies that your subconscious mind is influencing your faith in a particular treatment or practice. This is why prayer, which shuts out the conscious realm, can sometimes aid in the healing process. By allowing the irrational and intuitive subconscious mind to operate without interference, we can experience profound healing. Number 4. Let go of all negative thoughts. Releasing negative thoughts is a crucial step toward finding inner peace and achieving personal growth. As Joseph Murphy eloquently stated, external events or the actions of others do not have the power to truly disturb or irritate us unless we allow them to affect our thoughts. When someone says or does something that triggers a negative response in us, it is our own internal dialogue that fuels our anger or frustration. By recognizing this process and taking control of our thoughts, we can break free from the cycle of negativity. Often, our default reaction is to harbor negative thoughts about our circumstances. We dwell on what went wrong, what we lack, or how others have mistreated us. However, dwelling on negativity only serves to bring us down emotionally and hinders our chances of success. Instead, we should consciously strive to choose happiness and focus on the positive aspects of our lives. An example shared by one of Murphy's associates illustrates the detrimental effects of negative thinking. This individual worked tirelessly, neglecting his family and compromising his health in the process. He harbored a negative perception of his work, believing that it was driven by guilt for not fulfilling the expectations of his deceased brother. This guilt originated from a place of negativity and resulted in self-punishment, affecting not only himself but also his wife and children. What he failed to realize was that the long hours he worked were not imposed by his boss. They were a byproduct of his own negative thoughts. To break free from the shackles of negativity, it is essential to cultivate emotional maturity. When we become emotionally mature, we learn to detach ourselves from the criticism and resentment of others. Instead of reacting impulsively or retaliating with negativity, we can choose to respond with composure and understanding. This shift in mindset allows us to preserve our own well-being and maintain healthier relationships. Letting go of negative thoughts is a gradual process that requires self-awareness and conscious effort. It involves challenging our own thoughts, reframing negative experiences, and practicing gratitude for the positive aspects of our lives. By adopting a positive mindset, we empower ourselves to overcome obstacles, find joy in the present moment, and create a more fulfilling future. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.